Sometimes your Tapo base station will appear offline on your monitoring app. This is due to two reasons. One is like your ISP got disconnected, or two, it disconnected itself from your network through a power outage. Right now, the only way to fix this for a Tapo H500 is to do this. You go to the back, you look for the power module, you disconnect it, you reconnect it, and within about 30 seconds, it will restore the recording function to your network and re-enabling itself for the Tapo devices that are connected to it. So, currently seeing a red marker. That is not good. There we go. It's now cycling on green. And when it's consistent, it means it has an IP address already on the LAN and restoring the hard drive. That's how to troubleshoot the H500. Look, it's done.